Hi guys, sa video na ito ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-open ng SeaBank account under 5 minutes. You can easily open an account in the SeaBank app in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is mag-download ka ng SeaBank app from the Apple Store kung ikaw ay naka-iPhone and sa Google Play Store kung ikaw ay naka-Android. Or kung Huawei naman yung phone mo, pwede ka mag-download sa Huawei App Gallery. Step 2 is register for a SeaBank account by following the steps. Now, so step 1 is there are 3 options to sign up. To register with mobile number, tap sign up with mobile number. To register with Shopee, tap continue with Shopee. To register with Apple, tap continue with Apple. And after that, create your password. And then after you created your password, let's proceed sa self-verification. Now dito is kailangan mo na nasa bright areas ka ng bahay mo para makita yung full face. No? Hindi magka-error dahil hindi makita yung face mo dahil madilim. So make sure na nasa bright areas ka ng bahay mo and you should wear a formal attire. After your facial verification, prepare any of the following valid IDs. Phil ID or National ID, UMID, Postal ID, Driver's License, Passport, or SSS ID. Ang ginamit ko dito guys is yung e-Phil ID, yung na printed lang na national ID kasi hindi pa dumating sa akin yung card ng national ID. And once nakapili na kayo ng ID, take a photo of your ID, front and back as applicable. And after nyo mag-picture ng ID nyo, front and back, fill in your personal information. And after that, create your SeaBank secure PIN. And lastly, the last step is receive confirmation of successful application via an in-app notification or email. So after nyo magawa lahat ng steps, mag-wait lang kayo up to 24 hours and hintayin nyo lang and yung confirmation na successful yung application nyo. And pwede na kayong gumamit or pwede na kayong mag-avail ng mga benefits sa SeaBank. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and God bless.